多元宇宙嘅國際巨星登場。
That's right, next comes the most exciting moment of today's ceremony. Let us with the warmest applause and the highest energy welcome the international stars from across the global entertainment scene to the stage.
好啦，咁啊首先歡迎第一位國際巨星咧，佢喺 Star Wars 宇宙留低咧經典嘅印記。佢喺 Star Wars Attack of the Clones 入邊啊，飾演咗年輕嘅 Boba Fett 咧，亦都咧係動畫嘅 Clone Wars 入邊咧，咁啊為呢個傳奇賞金獵人配音，咁啊伴住無數星戰迷成長。有請 Daniel Logan。
First, let's welcome a familiar face from a galaxy far, far away. He brought young Boba Fett to life in Star Wars, Attacks of the Clones, and voiced the legendary bounty hunter in the Clone Wars. Please welcome Daniel Logan!
Hello, Hong Kong! Welcome to Hong Kong Comic-Con! Thank you for being here. Very excited to be here with you all. This is our first one, so welcome to Hong Kong Comic-Con, and thank you for being part of our very first one.
咁 Daniel 好開心咧，大家出席啦，咁佢亦都好興奮咧，今次係首屆第一個最大型嘅 Hong Kong Comic-Con。
冇錯啦，咁啊，我哋一齊咧感受呢個香港嘅第一次啊，咁啊，大家應該特別開心㗎啦。好啦，咁啊，跟住落嚟介紹呢一位咧殿堂級演員啊，由 Breaking Bad 入邊啊，令人聞風喪膽嘅 Justin Mandalorian 嘅 The Boys 同埋 Far Cry 6每個角色都深入民心嘅。
Please welcome a true icon of stage and screen, an actor whose commanding presence and unforgettable performances have captivated audiences around the world. From the brilliant and terrifying Gus Fring in Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul to unforgettable roles in The Mandalorian, The Boys, and Far Cry 6, he has become one of the most distinctive and celebrated actors of his generation. Let's welcome Giancarlo Esposito!
Number one, baby!
Thank you, guys. 頭先咧佢就係話有啲嘢咧係你哋有嘅，就係愛啦，香港。
冇錯，我哋俾更加多嘅愛咧，同埋咧我哋嘅掌聲，我哋每一位嚟到呢一度嘅嘉賓啦喎。跟住下一位啊，呢個殿堂級嘅演員喺優雅同鋒芒嘅白化身，發揮到佢嘅魅力嘅丹麥國寶。有令驚慄嘅食人魔，到 007 嘅 Casino Royale 同埋 Rogue One 啦，同埋 Doctor Strange 喜怒中環嘅佢。
就係邊個咧？ Our next icon is the master of elegance and edge, a Danish treasure who dominates every frame. From the chilling Hannibal Lecter to Latifero in Casino Royale, Galen Erso in Rogue One, and the world of Doctor Strange. Please welcome Matt Mikkelsen!
大家好，香港。I have a lot to say. I can't wait to meet you all, and I can't wait to see your legendary scene. Thank you for having us.
Thank you，好高興可以喺呢度見到咁多位觀眾咁熱烈嘅掌聲啊！
好 ，thank you，Matt， 下一位啦喎係世紀末題材作品入邊深入民心嘅英啱，喺度《Walking Dead》入邊咧先人氣角色嘅。最新嘅《愛傳》仲係遊戲《Death Stranding》入邊嘅主角啊！
And the soul of the apocalypse. For over a decade, he's played the iconic Daryl Dixon in The Walking Dead and his spin-off and starred as Sam Bridges in Death Stranding. Please welcome Norman Reedus!
Wow, look at that. I've never been here. This is my first time, so thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. 今次係 Norman 第一次嚟香港啊，佢都非常之高興同埋興奮啊！
冇錯啦，咁啊跟住落嚟咧，相信大家都期待㗎啦，就係韓國新生代。 Runner》入邊嘅有錢在一角，紅遍亞洲，有冇得意導演員魅力勢不可擋啊！
From Korea, one of the brightest rising stars of his generation, he captured hearts across us Ryu Song-jae in the hit drama Lonely Runners. Please welcome Lee Young-woo-song!
네. 안녕하세요. 홍콩에서는 코미콘이 처음 열린다고 들었는데 그 코미콘에 제가 초청받게 돼서 너무너무 영광스럽습니다.
I heard that Comic Con is the first time holding in Hong Kong, and I feel so honored to be here today.
오늘 이 코미콘 행사 시간 동안 즐거운 시간 같이 보내보면 좋겠습니다. 감사합니다.
And I really hope that we can have an enjoyable time during Comic Con. Thank you so much.
都係話咧，今次係佢人生第一次嚟香港啦，佢都好榮幸咧，可以喺度出席見到咁多位啊！
好啦，咁啊，我一做嘉賓啦喎，係一位真正嘅傳奇人物，佢帶我哋咧穿梭過去同未來，有 Back to the Future 嘅工作博士，同 Addams Family 嘅入邊 Fisher 叔叔，佢嘅角色陪伴住幾代人成長。
And our final headliner star is a true legend who taught us about the future and the past. The unforgettable Doc Brown in Back to the Future and Uncle Fester in the Addams Family. Great Scots!
佢就係有請我哋呢位朋友出場之前啊，咁啊咁重要、咁有分量嘅人物，梗係要請大會大師同佢一齊出場啦噃！我哋掌聲有請古天樂先生同我哋嘅壓軸巨星 Christopher Lloyd。
Hi. Okay.
Would you like to say a few words to all of our Hong Kong audiences?
好多謝晒，好啦，咁啊唔該晒你啦，跟住落嚟呢個環節犀利啦，融合咗我哋中華傳統文化嘅精髓啊，就係龍獅點睛啦，咁啊一齊見證住傳統咧同埋流行文化碰撞出嚟嘅火花喺香港傳統入邊啊，咁啊舞龍舞獅啊唔單止一場表演啊，咁就係一個莊重嘅儀式。 咁啊，而點睛咧亦都喚醒龍獅靈魂嘅關鍵一刻。咁啊，一筆點落去咧，龍獅就會睜開眼注入靈魂㗎喎。
The next segment brings together the essence of traditional Chinese culture, the dawning of the eyes for the dragon and lion dance. Let us witness the sparks that arise when tradition meets pop culture. In Hong Kong tradition, the dragon and lion dance is more than just a performance. It is a cultural and meaningful ritual.
哇！好啦，咁啊，我哋見到咧，我哋嘅龍獅咧應該喺台上面，但係好似都未夠醒喎。咁啊，因為而家咧，我哋有請咧古天樂先生，咁啊，連同6位國際巨星一齊主持呢一個點睛儀式啦。
True. Now, a quick word on this beautiful tradition. Dotting our dancing with one stroke of the brush, we awaken the spirits of the dragon and the lion. Now, each of you will be handed a brush to facilitate this ceremony.
OK，嚟喎，咁啊，請各位嘉賓啊，咪攞你面前嘅點睛筆輕點上龍獅嘅眼睛啦。
On my count of 3, as soon as everyone is ready, please step forward, raise your brush, and gently dot each eye of the lion one at a time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
金龍世界和平響聽聞啦，步步高升。And then we're going to tie a bow on the lion and the dragon. 爭花畫紅事業興隆，知難少壯，老成青壯。
拍照先好嘛？
哇！
好啦，影完呢張相啦，咁我哋請咁多位咧，可唔可以去稍後一步欣賞我哋嘅表演啦噃？
Okay, now before we're going to enjoy the performance of the lion and dragon, we're going to take a memorable group photo together.
好啦，咦，我哋發覺咧幾隻醒獅等緊喎，不如又影張合照先咧。
Take a group photo to record on this memorable moment with all our beloved guests, distinguished guests.
好啦，其實咧，我覺得咧喺我哋嘅傳統當中咧，舞獅舞龍咧，真係最熱鬧不特止，都算係我哋傳統當中最早咧我哋 cosplay 嘅喎。你記住啦，我哋入邊咧都有好多師傅咧喺我哋嘅獅同埋咧龍下邊操控住嘅喎。好啦，喺呢個時候咧，請咁多位咧，我哋稍移一步欣賞我哋表演啦。
Okay, we would like our guests to gradually step back to enjoy the performance.
好啦，喺呢個時候咧，亦都咧接受咧我哋咧醒獅送俾大家嘅一段長戲啊！哇，冇錯啦，鞠躬，準備啦，師傅交俾你哋啦。
Ready and go.
拜报告票后台。獅子傳嘅傳教就落團圓。獅子扭一扭，個個買車再買樓啊！喺呢度咧，我哋所有嘅獅咧，將所有嘅祝福啦送晒俾我哋所有嘅嘉賓同埋現場朋友喎。
Definitely. So the dragon and the lion dance symbolizes fortune, success, health, and good luck for every audiences here today.
好啦，咁啊嗱，啱啱咧睇完咧龍獅同埋震撼啦，香港人咧仲有一個傳統㗎，就係每逢大日子咧都會用最豪華嘅方式啊，齊齊敬一杯嘅，今日咧我哋一杯咧就係用我哋好特別嘅碗。 就係戰鬥碗啦，起源咧就係嚟自咧大排檔啦，同埋咧避風塘嘅文化啦，象徵住香港人咧拼搏嘅精神啊，同埋義氣。今日一陣間咧，我哋用佢咧敬每一位咧有無窮想像力同埋戰鬥精神嘅創作者同埋粉絲嘅喎。
Oh, so in Hong Kong, when a moment is celebratorial, we mark it with a toast using a special bowl. The battle bowl is symbol of our city's fighting spirit.
哇！好啦，我哋咧每一位嘉賓都攞住嘅 Battle Bowl 啦，一齊咧準備咧同我哋飲翻杯咯噃。而家咧有請我哋今次打咗呢場盛事嘅3位重要人物啦。我哋 Optics Ventures 嘅 General Partners 亦都係香港 Comic Con 嘅聯合創辦人，有請 Ryan Lee、Daniel Yim 同埋 James Chan， 連同埋咧天下一集團嘅代表、業務發展及傳訊總監文國俊先生 Sean Man。 嚟到台上面，同各位巨星啦同埋古生咧一齊舉杯啦。
Now let us welcome the three key figures behind this exciting event, the general partners of Optics Ventures and co-founders of Hong Kong Comic Con, Ryan Lee, Daniel Yim, and James Chan, and Business Development and Communications Director of One Cool Group, Sean Man, on stage and toast together with our celebrity headliners and Mr. Cool.
我望見咧在場嘅朋友、記者朋友、傳媒朋友已經影緊相咯噃，亦都咧請各位嘉賓咧雙手舉起嘅戰鬥碗，舉得越高越好喎。
That's right, raise the bowl as high as you can with both hands on the count of 3, 2, 1 to Hong Kong Comic Con 2026. 好啦，敬完呢杯之後咧，我哋一齊咧望住前面一齊影張合照喎。 Yes, big congratulations. Now everyone, please kindly face forward for our full group photo.
好啦，咁啊望向鏡頭，咁啊同埋我哋傳媒嘅朋友，咁啊呢個全體陣容嘅大合照啊，紀念住呢個咁重要嘅一刻，我哋香港嘅第一次。
That's right, a huge thank you to all of our stars and Ambassador Mr. Koo.
好咁啊呢個時候咧話事咧影大合照唔係我哋話事㗎啦，係我哋啲各位傳媒嘅朋友啊，因為有賴你哋先去將呢件情事話俾大家聽。傳媒朋友可以未？嚟得我哋唔會放啲嘉賓走啦，我哋都好想佢哋留耐啲嘅，可唔可以啊？OK 嘛 ？Good。咁再一次多謝今日所有咧上到台上面嘅國際巨星同我哋嘅大會大使古天樂先生，請大家再俾熱烈掌聲俾佢哋 ，Thank you。
Thank you. Now, Hong Kong Comic Con 2026 would not be possible without the strong support of the Hong Kong government and our corporate sponsors. May we now invite them on stage for a photo opportunity.
咁啊喺呢度咧，請邀請各位巨星嘉賓咧，古生咧咁啊可以回座位啦。咁啊 James 啦、Daniel 啦、Ryan 啦同埋 Sean 咧，麻煩你哋留步喎。咁啊今次 Comic Con 咧2026啦，咪嚟到香港，咁啊當中一定咧唔少咧香港政府啊同埋各個單位嘅鼎力支持㗎，所以一定要咧用你哋掌聲多謝佢哋。而家請容許我哋咧逐一邀請我哋各位重要嘅伙伴到台上面進行大合照環節㗎。好，咁啊，首先咧，我哋咧有請我哋嘅香港 Comic Con 董事總經理李兆忠先生 Andrew，同埋香港 Comic Con